Hello, I'm Dr. Bianca Szasz, a space system engineer and researcher with years of experience in complex data analysis, strategic decision making, and problem solving. While my career has largely been in aerospace, I have learned that no matter the industry, data driven decision making is key. And that's exactly where business statistics comes in. I wrote Business Statistics Essentials You Always Wanted to Know to help professionals, leaders, and entrepreneurs transform raw data into valuable insights that drive real business success. This book is designed to make business statistics practical, accessible, and directly applicable to real-world challenges. What makes this book unique? Real-world examples. You won't just learn formulas, you'll see how they apply in actual business scenarios. We'll explore how companies use data for decision-making, risk management, and strategic planning. Whether you're analyzing sales trend, customer behavior, or operational performance, this book equips you with the necessary tools. We start with the basics: what business statistics is and why it's essential. Then we dive into data collection and presentation, understanding variables, measurement scales, and data collection methods. After this, we proceed to understand descriptive statistics, measures of central tendency and dispersion, probability distributions and probability rules, including key concepts for risk analysis and forecasting. This is followed by a description of sampling techniques and distributions. Lastly, we cover regression and correlation analysis, techniques used in market research and business forecasting, and hypothesis testing, where we learn how to make confident decisions based on statistical evidence. Through Business Statistics Essentials, we'll gain knowledge of all this and more. Whether you're a business professional, an MBA student, or just someone looking to enhance your analytical skills, this book is your go-to guide for making data-driven decisions with confidence. I invite you to explore business statistics where numbers meet strategy and where data empowers success. Get your copy today.